While creating content, one of the most important questions you must ask yourself is, why am I creating content? YouTube is actually a hard nut, and so many has begun YouTube channels and have not had the motivation to continue. If you are here for the views, I'd like to ask you, from what angle is it coming from? If you want to get massive views, I think you will just want to get plenty views, like sharp. I would advise you start posting shorts. But if you really want to get, and I mean authentic views, I would advise you post long form content. And the question is, are we actually here for the views? Are we actually here for the views? Miles Morales said something. He says abuse is inevitable when the cause of a thing is not known. In other words, why are you beginning your YouTube channel? What is the reason for your channel? What is your channel actually standing for? What is your channel preaching? So that is what we're talking about when we talk about value proposition. What is your channel offering? What are you offering as a creator? So these questions matters more than views, watch hours, subscribers. That's the fact. Because the moment we get it all wrong, the main purpose will be defeated. So I think we are here to offer value rather than here just to get views, get subscribers, clinch monetization. The question comes, after the subscribers, what next? Do you have what it takes to keep them coming back? After the views, what next? Do you have what it takes to keep amassing the view? After the watch hour, what next? And then after the monetization, what next? So these questions matters more than any other question, or any other thing that may be coming to your mind while you are creating content. And I believe that answering these questions, is actually going to pave way for you to actually decide what you are here for. Because I just see people just start posting and all of that. I've been there. My channel that is monetized now, I actually got it wrong for so many years until last year, where I knew the main reason for that channel, what I was offering, what I had to offer, and boom, in the nick of time, I clinched the subscribers, the watch hour, and the monetization. And while I clinched monetization, I began seeing reaching or attaining monetization as nothing, because I had already reached that particular goal. And this is a question for every creator to ask him or herself. One of the very first things you need to do, which will not lead to making a mistake, is one, carving out a name for your channel. Are you using your name? If you are using your name, fine. Right, then we'll know that, okay, whenever we see this name, because this is what this name offers. Then if you know you are not using your name, you just want to use a particular random title or a particular random idea, then what you should go for is this: carve out the name, carve out the idea, carve out the phenomenon or idea or whatever you want to be kind of talking about. Then start posting. Alright. Then after that, the next thing is proper description. Description helps the algorithm to actually know what your channel stands for and what your channel is here for. So when you do a proper description, it gives your channel an edge to stand out. While people are doing their searches on the search engine, on the YouTube search engine, your channel easily pops out because there's proper channel description. Okay, this channel is into comedy. This channel is into content creation. These are specific way to actually describe your channel, and these things matters a lot than just posting, than just creating thumbnails, than just creating random posts. These things actually matter more. All right. After the description, the next thing is adding a profile photo. All right. So actually, people need to have an idea of what you do, of what you offer. So for your profile photo, the profile photo helps to stand for identity for your channel. And as well, the cover photo. The cover photo speaks volumes and talks in volumes about your particular channel. Next, after that, you must carry out all these things or do all these things even before we talk about posting or making any video live at all on your channel. The next thing after that is your channel optimization. So you can do your optimization with just your YouTube Studio mobile or YouTube Studio desktop version. So you could do all of this with these two mobile apps. Alright, so you do optimization, putting your keywords. The keywords talking about words related to your channel. Why people are searching, your channel pops out. Like for example, when I created my gaming channel, due to proper optimization, immediately I searched on Google search engine. We have what we call Google Complete. So Google Complete just actually brought it, and as soon as I tapped, it took me straight to that particular channel. That's what we call keyword ranking search optimization. Alright, so all of that needs to be done. Then the next thing is verification. So verification is very, very important. Alright, the moment you create your channel, do your description and all of that, you pass the first level of verification. When you put your profile photo, your description and all of that, the next level of verification will allow you to be able to add thumbnails to your videos, and we also give you an edge to post videos that are up to 15 minutes long. Alright, so and that is the verification of your phone number. Alright, whether you are in the US, you are in Africa, you are anywhere in the world, verification of your phone number matters a lot. So if you are in US, verify it's a US number. If you are in Nigeria, verify it's a Nigerian number. Next, after that, after your verification, alright, then you do what we call facial verification, either with your ID card. You can do that with your ID card. You can do that with facial verification, and that takes about 6 seconds. The link will be sent to your email, your official email for your channel, and you follow the steps, and your channel gets verified. And guys, boom, you are set. By this, you've defined the purpose of your channel. You've defined what your channel stands for, and I bet you're going to make a great success journey while in the process of your content creating. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel.